Hey guys, welcome back to my channel J into Explainer. In my previous two videos, I explained section A and section B. In this video, we will be discussing the important questions of section C in IPE 1A examination. See, this is a section where you can gain so much marks that even by writing these five questions, you can pass your examination. So, in section C, the first question is f of A is equals to B, g of B is equals to C are bijections. Prove that g of f inverse is equals to f inverse of g inverse, right? So here you need to find these both are bijection. You need to find this equation. Second question, using mathematical induction, prove that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus n is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. By using formulas, you can easily solve these type of questions, and literally you don't need to take a lot of stress, because just you need to learn the formulas and gain a lot of formulas, and you need to recall the right formula at the right question in examination. So don't by heart the formulas, by learn the formulas as per the question, then you'll easily recall them while writing your examination. So the third question is, again using mathematical induction, prove that 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 squares to so on plus n square is equals to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. It is exactly the similar question of this, just you need to change the formula as per the square. Alright. The fourth one is, using mathematical induction, prove that 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus so on n cube is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. So in mathematical induction, every question is interlinked to each other. So by learning formulas, you can start solving them easily. Alright. Now we enter into the matrices. Evaluate the determinants for this determinant, which is A, B, C, B, C, A and C, A, B. So you need to solve this and you need to find the determinants of this. And the sixth question is, prove that matrix A plus B, C 0 and 0 B plus C A and C 0 A plus C is equals to A plus B plus C into AB plus BC plus C. You need to solve this so that you get this. Now the seventh question is, solve the system using matrices. You need to solve this equation, or you need to change this into a matrix form, then you need to solve the matrix. Okay, these three equations should turn into a matrix, then you need to solve that matrix. Here in the eighth one, solve the system using matrices. Again here we just change one number so that you can solve and you can learn as much as you can. And in the ninth one, short, which is Gauss-Jordan method, and this equation is x plus y plus z is equals to 6, 2x plus 3y plus z is equals to 10, and x plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 13. See, methods like this, Gauss-Jordan or Gauss-Seidel, here you need to learn how to solve that topic. Don't by heart or take 2-3 equations like this and you start trying or you start solving. Always remember how you need to start, what is the next step in the Gauss-Jordan, and how you get your answer. This is the method. You need to understand the method and you need to learn that method, so that while writing this type of questions, if you know the method, you can just solve that equations and get the answer. So in this, I prefer learning method rather than learning questions. So in the 10th one, if a bar is equals to I plus a cap is equals to I plus 2j plus 3k, b cap is equals to 2i minus j plus k, and c cap is equals to I plus j minus k, find a cap into b cap into c cap. So by solving this equation, or by using this equation, you need to go through this a bar into b cap into c cap. All right, just interchange these alphabets with these equations and you solve as per the method. 11th question, we have, if a plus b if a b c are angles of a triangle, prove that Sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c is equals to 4 sine a, sine b and sine c. See, here we use trigonometric equations or trigonometric formulas and trigonometric identities, and you start solving 2 2 or 2 2 or 3 if you know the formulas well. These are the easiest type of questions that you can directly solve and get full marks. 12th one is in delta in triangle ABC, prove that R is equal to delta by S and derive relation involving R1, R2, R3. So this is the question which seems to be hard while studying, but when you solve these types of questions, they are easy. So in my this 12 questions pack, it if you solve this one by one, and instead of just buttifying the entire process or learning that exact numericals, if you try to learn this process, you can easily gain full marks. And for me, if you solve section C correctly, you are damn sure pass. Then if you, with that confidence, if you solve section B and section A, you will get literally full marks. So start your examination by solving section C, because that is a time where every formula is in your head and you are so confident. And if you write the 7 marks question perfectly, then section B seems to be quite easier for you, because you tackle the most hard questions in your question paper. So before going to your examination, just recall all the formulas and be prepared to attend the section C at starting. Then you go to section B and section A. If you are confident enough in your entire question paper, then you can go as per your section A, B, C. But if you are 75-25, then you start with section C, then tackle section B and section A. So that's it for today, guys, and I hope you will write your examination nicely. Soon I'll be back with 1B important questions of section A, B, C. We'll meet there. Till then, subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.